Hey everyone, today's word is effrontery. Effrontery means bold, disrespectful, or shameless behavior, especially when someone acts rudely or insolently without regard for others. It's that audacious attitude that makes you raise an eyebrow. For example, he had the effrontery to criticize the manager in front of the whole team, or she had the effrontery to ask for a raise after being late every day this week, or I couldn't believe his effrontery when he interrupted the meeting so rudely. The word comes from French "effronterie", meaning shamelessness, and the Latin "effronte", meaning brazen-faced. Imagine someone being so bold, it's as if they had no shame at all. That's effrontery. Have you ever witnessed someone displaying effrontery that left you shocked? Let us know down below. Thanks a lot. Bye.